Well, finally got some 6-inch wood clamp, 6-inch C clamps in today. So these help in the removal of a tire if for some reason the bead area right here does not want to slide off the rim. And all you gotta do is just take it, go over to your tire, put it on, and make sure you don't hit the rim area, and you tighten it up. And it helps get the tire broke off the bead. And I've got 2 of them, so I don't have to worry about anything. So I got those there. Now, the other tool I got is a little small builder's square, or whatever you call this thing. You lay this on top of the tire, dead center, making sure the tire is just right. When you have the tire on the floor, and you measure from the floor to that area right there, or pretty much right at, the builder square to help measure the tire distance. Now, if you have 2 tires and, you got both of them standing against each other, you measure the tire, and then you lay this across the other tire, and if you know your measurements by sight, you can tell the difference between one tire being 1/4 inch taller to 3/4 inches. Quarter inch difference in tire height. But those are tires if they're uninflated. Now, once you inflate them on the rims with the proper tire pressure, then you can still measure and tell the difference with them properly inflated for like your riding lawnmower. Now, if you have rear tires, depending on your ability to do such, you take your knees and press down. But if you can't get them broke that way, you don't have any tire breaking bead breaker, then you have to get bigger C clamps. You use at least 2 of them, one on one side, one on the other. Just place them wherever you feel like you need to place them to get the bead to break off that rim, so you can get the tire took off. Then you better use whatever tools you have available to get the tire off the rim. But like I said, there's so many ways to break a bead instead of having to do that. That was uncalled for. If I had these at a particular time, I could have got that tire broke off the bead. But I didn't. But now I do. I ordered them off of Amazon. They're made in China, but go wherever you can to get them. Just make sure you get good C clamps like this. There's other kind of clamps, but you gotta be careful about certain ones because they could end up breaking them. But I said this is the way. If you ever have issues of breaking the bead on a tire, there you go. So then you use that device right there for the measurement from the tire bottom while it's standing up on the concrete floor to the top. I just said, that's just the way I do it. So y'all have a great day and catch y'all later. Thank you.